Me fra broche by 2018 ana. Me ba na MPP4 jubilate. Oh, ya chusu matia me do ade betum wode nkofo be gum. Ode NDC for be gum am sibu. Oh, you men of little faith. How long am I going to be with you? That's what Jesus Christ told his disciples. See, you men of little faith, how long am I going to be with you? That you cannot even use this simple a dream to read between the lines. The man make us say, hey, why am I here? Me do? But here me do to say, Jata ya bonutio 1, 2. What is it? Jata sekis for no eduomu ye show. One sekis for no be a natural death. No. And one of them you show in the long run pounces on them and kill them. Yeah. So I use that example and says, Aquawe, what is said Jatanoa, sekis for the year, in the long run, he will pounce on you and kill you.
2018,
yes, I said it. Everybody was against. And Agyapong was a party. And a BB about criticizing.
Boss.
Yeah.
Mr. You're from a semi-old man as I can help you. It's in Kamesra Quankakana.
Again, I'm sorry, not this time. Free AM Home Care and Nursing Home. No more sure for my own Yakwan would do mine. Where home care and nursing services, elderly day care, medication management, dementia, and Alzheimer care, physiotherapy services, post-surgery care, illness recovery care. Nina say, Ubushu and Ibuka be our choir Sabian Yina Befi. No free AM Home Care and Nursing Home for ya 24/7. One more Bekako Crono, a crab of us over Fanindro, no more entertaining. No, was one Yakwan Duma.
And your AM Home Care and Nursing Home, Sabina me pay.
Ubut me crop Busha for Quacher Waum. AM Home Care and Nursing Home, our fan call Accra and Saum Road. From 0540 344 837 and 0207 859995.
Boss, wait a minute, Dawasepa, what's my breast? AM Home Care and Nursing Home.
Comfort, compassion, and caring home.
Kennedy akompro Agyapong akasa ediafa OSP nsensemi a ekoso ne kasa yimu na wo kyerese ne ekoso no ono a eye ne sifisa asemi ekoso wo hu kai na so MPP4 amfa no asem o se OSP no enye we kiseja bi na di kan a waba ho Owura Martin Amidu eni nipa odi kan a yete saa so yede ne beto ano no mo de ne beto ho pe na kan de se wo kyere MPP4 se na emu ye de ase ne matogbo e de abo so na ta so na kenken kwa enkonkosi hwe busua ensemu a Kennedy kan no ensemu a emudo na eno na mede baba sunu America wo se aha eye too much gh we subscribe my page we na afi we mi adoma no sesa no upload bi atomo a wonsa ebetimi aka na afi makamfo AM Home Care and Nursing Home e de amawo se wo bi a opese obehwe no ana wo yarefo bi o maame bi wona na bi na yare wo fa bi na yare obabi mpo e na wo yare no hu attention e na e bi adwumaje wadaje na wunya kwan a AM Home Care and Nursing Home e wo ho e de mawo omo wo home kama wo a wo kwa wo yarefo no obenya homeka na dunnom na duane dem ni bibia beko yi sempo nso pese nurse ni ba fie e betena ho hwe no mawo na wakọ adwuma ba no wakọ a eno so omo wo ho se ombe yesa adwuma ni nyina e de ama ombutu akra ofranko mu number no egu screen ase obetimi ene wo mu atwetwe enkomo na be na him de ene Ghana ha OSP no wa trendy yi pa ni nyina ene Ken Oforiata ho sensem aba wo kire se wo hwehwe na wo hunu ase papa yi watu pia e de afede a wayira OSP ni kire se Ghana ha nyina wachi ya nyina who can to declare wanted ya wa ha no santra no ban no so say de Ken Oforiata ene na kasa a kire ne se wo baabi a wo hwe ne ho yare nsi busumi mmemu no obeba nti onya abotrenti OSP asan aba abeka se ne Ken no onye wanted bi mu nemum se da na wa hwe no so na se wa ma ene sada no duru a obe declare wanted ama ya san akọkọhwe no ede naba eno ena Ken akompre ko Agyapong e kire se kisi agyabenye wo ye no ase enkuro bi na wo bo eye kenken kwa enkosi hwefri se ne wo ye no obi edi kan ye bi dida Martin na bi Dubai se ya na Martin so be ye dom levo eho ne manyina koma Martin wantimi ancha no mampo afanantum enti se Martin po entimi anya kisi agyabende no be ye.
You see, na truth will come. Na da bia no kura ne ka edim
Pao
enti Nyankopon wachamade mienu akukuduro ene no kure. And I don't care whoever you are, say we are there is not good for the country and especially not good for Ghana. I will say it. I have nothing against you, but I just draw your attention. Say, baby, I'm ukui enye. Me fra broche by 2018 ama. Me ba na MPP for jubilate. Oh, ya choose Matia me do ade abetum wode nkofo be gum. Ode NDC for be gum am sibu. Oh, you men of little faith. How long am I going to be with you? That's what Jesus Christ told his disciples. See, you men of little faith, how long am I going to be with you? That you cannot even use this simple a dream to read between the lines. Maybe I make us say, hey, why Matia me do? Matia me do to say, Jata ya bonutio 1, 2. What is a Jata? Sekis for no, Edwom ye show. One Sekis for no be a natural death. No. And one of them you show in the long run pounces on them and kill them. Yeah. So I use that example and says, Aquawe, what is a Jata Noa? Sekis for the year. In the long run, he will pounce on you and kill you.
2018,
yes, I said it. Everybody was against. And Agyapong was a party. And the BB about criticizing. Can't you read between the lines? And then we're from now born you say Mumpa Muslo no cracker. Na sa statement now me make it about it cost me a lot of things in the party. Yes, I can say it here.
Wow.
Yeah, serious. Yes.
Debbie,
I can't say it here. Here, election until they keep it to myself. But Matiamidu.
Wow.
Matiamidu. Me. And Missy Ayaraga. I didn't call share what them got James and Mo. With the moon train, I didn't call Germany in our so not really. Ayaraga catch them.
Ayaraga, yes, or Babachina to me.
Yeah. Do parliament. There be a dinner. There's a small office.
That lobby beyond.
Right, lobby on. Yeah, one of them crochet. He says, we are praying for you guys. We were going to bring the information about Muhammad said, we should leave go away or bet ditch him.
Really?
Yes. Yeah. Oh, yes. But we put it behind us. And yet be an statement, no, or say, Agyapa ayede. Agyapano obi aton agiska gunubuto mana. O meka nkire. Na wo domlevo de yi ade ma wo nyina wa ntimi anya ho hwi.
Domlevo la documents in egu.
Yeah, wa ntimi anya ho hwi. Won kire NDC ni case ba ko aye. Me say police ni ba bi ba besu wo mi fie. Ewo moving pick. Na o say
number 12.
Matiamidu ohoro akufo ado se sapo omfane nya ya obesu wo me fie se e dey mistake di me yima no ba bia so enye yie na wo the police officer oba no e back to police headquarters Matiamidu minim power say dey code it he wrote to IGP to release the girl again girl no buy man office eniama fu bia we wonye good manager mo dey nipa fu bia ra ojiji wo muso Matiamidu we nipa wonye nipa o boni ahye ma say what did Jini passage Jini bana is this is that mon kan kire me NDC for na kasa positions are what hold any ade o ye me menim near President Akufo-Addo hu wakoa wo mu o ye hero.
Don't you think say he convinced the president so much?
Convince the bia now better now what convince say wo hwan e dey this it means you don't check backgrounds of people before you give appointment e dey this I want Matiamidu. And you made it. Then people for you and say, hey, you men of little faith. Wait. What by you said to sir? One statement that he's making. A Juma Kura de man Kura one. Me say a ran by police officer. I've been called on her behalf. Say, madam, we in the problem saying, you see, he has to go back and Matiamidu. Police informed the woman, the amemfe, had to go back. Okwa Matiamidu, a man baby intina, or saw prosecuted a whole lot of things. Okwa one court were good riddance, and nobody is scared. Nobody should be scared of Matiamidu. Why you prosecute a crowd as road near? In a more Muhammad did not our car stupid in a way. Well, waka me na me nka but mahama ka o se obi me na me muo but obi bu amenyo mahama ora adade no wi apetasi na ni kan
kana kasa no musu nkoyi
oh how dey na apetasi nko bu ze na shede bufu aga ze tira so kika bi kire no that mama koya I think God na be good party ani mase last minute but enya adwuma Ghanaians are going to weigh the school fees that they are not paying. Ghanaians are going to weigh and not from a say dumping to nkran. Body busa. It is not natural aibiao. And what I can say nyankopon a management of our resources and management efforts that we've made to improve the agric sector. And una ama eduane ebu. Enti wenum say nyama we and a Ghana for ekwohwe ho ato aba. Enye Agyapa. Propaganda na omuye we Agyapa ho ne yi walu su kura wom e bi a law firm ano oye ho adwumade but said no money Ghana for amutiem no money has changed hands anywhere
in a Agyapa deal
no
nothing
enti wo ye di adwuma ma ho se na Agyapa de ma hwe the statement no Agyapa de na ka enti na wo so resign wan ka sana utimi nya wadwuma you see Ghanaians mark on Asian platitudes. And then we are Mambrofo. Yeah, they mark on Asian platitudes. Oh, this is Matiamidu. Oh, no, Attorney General. Me na can was yeah. And
I see a Frankenstein monster.
Oh, Chiakai. Nana ni dia woman no. Me nka bebre ho. Ye o dia say. God bless Ghana, God bless MPP. Don't go and vote for independent candidates. Vote for our MPP parliamentary candidates so that they will join Akufo-Addo to pass all the bills to implement good policies for the nation. Don't forget, say if you vote for independence, you are voting against your children's future. If you vote for our parliamentary candidates, you are voting for the future of your children. That is the difference.
Honorable Kwen Akumpreko ensem no ene de ababesum na Ghana for HSA kame say honorable as a president na wo pedi nti say asem ba na wo ka na se wo hu se no be ka asem na say na Kennedy anke nim no se nko bebo na adwe na se ne nsem na wo ka nyina wo twe na bo so wo twe nya wo ntimi nka asem no yi se ne enim ken no Ghana for HSA o me ye hu ne sa asem ne ba na efita obeka se efita tuntum so obeka se tuntum eti se kenoforiata wadin se hu na wo se Ghana ban ni dia Ken enka adwene me hu se ne oforiata ye no enye enu to ofuaso anase wo ofuaso na asem aba na adakwa kofa ke Martin na me de hu se nsem e de bebetu Martin na ban no atwem wantimi anyenti e na kesi Agyaben e ba yenti ne kesi Agyaben ye no so ne kwan so ano no anase wafomumra Ghana for say Mr. Kensa na wo so wo tie message so be de wadwenche e wo comment section ho e de mo na say when me subscribe button no so e too much gh e ya kai na fa be on account no upload to mo on the first person I was betting aka all the social media handles okoho a too much gh ya kai say ho so o be like no wa share ama onua bi so enye bi ahwe makra